Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is buying a coffee in a paper cup. Every second, every single day, billions of times a year. And there's a machine that can pump out over 2 of those cups every second. From a setup you could realistically run at home. Paper cups aren't a trend. Coffee cups, milk tea cups, cold drink cups, ice cream cups. This is one of the most consistent, everyday products on the planet. And the machine that makes them is one of the cheapest ways to get into packaging manufacturing. Let's see how it actually builds a cup. This is a vertical axis paper cup forming machine, refined for better stability and faster output than older versions.
Here's the journey a flat sheet of paper takes to become a finished cup. Automatic paper feeding, then middle sealing to form the cylinder shape, cup mouth lubrication, upper curling to shape the rim. Then the cup bottom is attached, heated, rolled, and finally, the finished cup is blown out ready for use. One continuous process. Flat paper goes in one end, a finished, ready-to-use paper cup comes out the other. This isn't limited to one type of cup either. It handles single-sided and double-sided coated paper for both hot and cold beverages. That covers your standard coffee cups, milk tea cups, cold drink cups, even ice cream paper cups. And with quick mold changes, the same machine can switch between sizes, anywhere from 2.5 ounces up to 16 ounces. Small espresso cups, big iced coffee cups, one machine, multiple product lines.
Now, here's the number that matters most in this business: output speed. This machine holds a stable peak output of 138 cups per minute. Break that down, and that's about 2.3 cups produced every single second. That's noticeably faster than standard machines in its class, meaning more finished product per hour without needing extra machines or extra floor space. At 2,100 kilograms, this machine sits on a solid, heavy-duty chassis built specifically for cost-effective automated production, not a flimsy entry-level unit. One standout design choice: a top-mounted open cam drive. That keeps the wiring completely isolated from oil stains at the bottom of the machine. The result? More stable electrical performance and none of the typical maintenance blind spots that cause slow, hidden failures over time.
Put it together. A heavy-duty, stable machine, fast output, flexible cup sizes, and a product that's used constantly, everywhere, every single day. Paper cups aren't seasonal, they aren't regional, and they aren't optional for the businesses that use them. Cafes, bubble tea shops, ice cream vendors, that's a built-in customer base almost anywhere you set up. And compared to most packaging manufacturing equipment, this is genuinely one of the more affordable ways in. A setup that a small operator could realistically run from a home-based or small rented space.
If you're searching for a low-cost manufacturing business with steady, everyday demand, paper cup production is worth serious consideration. Tell me in the comments, would you start a paper cup business? And subscribe for more affordable business ideas like this one every week.